Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to share with you guys the deals starting November 11th. So before I get into this video, there's actually going to be a giveaway in this video. So my local CVS is sponsoring my 20,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you would like to be entered to win a $50 CVS gift card, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, comment anything below, and if you want an extra entry, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. So thank you so much for my local CVS for sponsoring this giveaway. I'm super excited about that. So the first deal is going to be on CoverGirl. So CoverGirl is on a spend $15, get $8 back in extra care bucks. So I'm actually going to share with you guys what I picked up this last Sunday, which I actually really like. It is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream, and I'm actually wearing it on my skin today. It does come off a little bit yellowy when you first put it on, but then it just kind of blends into the skin, and as you can see, there are absolutely no lines. So this was priced for $9.49. And then the other thing that I picked up this past Sunday was this little duo right here. It comes with the mascara, the Full and Bloom mascara, and it comes with the eyeliner. So this is priced for $9.99, and what's cool about this is the single mascara is $9.99. So you can get the duo pack and you're gonna get a free eyeliner. So anyways, we have some coupons to utilize. So we have 2 off 1 coupons from the 11/4 Smart Source. There's also a printable $2 off coupon you can use from coupons.com. You can also send a coupon from your CVS app. So that'll make for a really great deal, and then combine any CRT. So I got a 3 off 15 CoverGirl Cosmetics CRT, and I also got a 4 off 18 CRT for cosmetics. So there are tons of items you can try here. You could go freebie and do the brow pencils, but you could also try something new. So I highly suggest those 2 items that I talked about. Okay, you guys, so this week the LA Colors is on a spend 12 get 6. I want to highlight to you guys that it does not work on the gift set. However, Physicians Formula is on a spend 10 get 7, so you absolutely could utilize this deal on the gift sets right here. So they're priced for $14.99. They're a little bit more out of pocket, but if you have a cosmetic CRT, that could be worth your while. So I really think that it's a good value to go ahead and do the spend 10 get 7 on the gift sets, because it is a really great Christmas gift. But remember, you cannot do the gift set deal with the LA Colors deal. And also, Milani is spend 10 get 7. My store that I'm currently in right now, they do not have Milani cosmetics at mine, but it's spend 10 get 7. Also, Wet n Wild is on a spend 10 get 5, and Wet n Wild has gift sets as well. So this is priced for $9.99, so this will be enough to trigger that extra care buck. So you could buy one for $9.99, then get that $5 extra care buck for spending $10 or more. So great deal. Okay, you guys, so Select, Eucerin, and Aquaphor, these guys are on a buy 20 get 10. So we have some coupons we can utilize. So there were coupons from the 11/4 Smart Source. So there's a 3 off 1, 2 off 1, and a $1 off 1. We also have printable coupons, $2 off coupons for the Eucerin on coupons.com, and you can send a $2 coupon to your CVS app. If you don't know how to use your CVS app, I have a video explaining it to walk you through it. So combine this with any CRTs you may have for skincare. So if you have a lotion CRT, definitely pair it up here. Also, if you have a percentage off coupon, so you can find these either through your email or check your mail. I got a 30% off coupon sent to my mail last week. So you can absolutely use it here, and it's going to drop your final cost a little bit lower. But yeah, great deal. Okay, so this week we have another cash card deal. So when you spend $30 or more in select items, just look for the items with the Santa hat, and then you're going to get a $10 cash card. Make sure that if your registers don't trigger your cash card, make sure you have them give you the cash card and not the extra care buck, because the cash card is special in the sense that you can use it on different items that you wouldn't be able to use an extra care buck on. So if for whatever reason there's an issue, just have them issue you a $10 gift card for CVS. Don't opt for the extra care buck, because the cash card you can buy milk with. So this week, Select Body Wash is on buy one, get one 50% off sale. So the body washes included are the St. Ives. So the St. Ives are priced for $4.99 and it's buy one, get one 50%. Also included is the Caress body washes. They are buy one, get one 50% off as well. So we currently have Checkout 51 offers for the St. Ives. If you are not signed up for Checkout 51, I will have a link below for you guys to go ahead and sign up. And we also have a cashback rebate for the Caress body wash on Ibotta, so that would be a good item to snag as well. And then pair up any CRT. So I have a 2 off 8 body wash CRT, so if you have the CRT, definitely pair it here. And there are also some coupons. So there's a 50¢ off one Caress coupon on the CVS app. And there's also a 50% off one St. Ives body product on the CVS app too. So, and then we also have a $1 off one coupon for the St. Ives. And then we also have a $1 off one Caress coupon from the 11 for Retail Me Not. So combine those coupons, use your CRTs, and this is gonna make for a great deal. Okay, so we have a deal on select Henkel brand items. So what's included is the Dial hand soap, which are 2 for $4, the Dial body wash, these guys are 2 for $7, which is a great price because regular price is $6.29 regular price for the Dial body washes, so a 2 for $7 sale price is great. Also included is the Renews It and Persil Schwarzkopf's hair dye, and also the Gliss shampoo. So there's a lot of scenarios you can do. I'm gonna have an end card with a scenario you can go ahead and do, but just pick and choose what you want from that list that I mentioned. Make sure you get to $20 or more, and then you're gonna get that $7 extra care buck when you spend $20. Okay, so if there's one deal everyone should be doing, it's on the soft soap. So these soft soap hand soaps, the 11.25 ounce, these guys are on sale for $1.99. Regular price is $3.49. And everyone's gonna get an instant coupon to take $1 off. So final cost is gonna be 99 cents. So we went from $3.49 down to 99 cents with sale and that instant coupon. And I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. I use this in the shower. I use this under my arms and other places. And it's an antibacterial wash. So if you're trying to get like odor away, this is gonna do it because the antibacterial is gonna kill the odor bacteria. So this is so incredibly helpful. So definitely snag this and just put it in your shower. Okay guys, so L'Oreal Cosmetics are in a buy two, get $5 back in extra care bucks. Now something I would highly recommend is this voluminous mascara. This is the Burgundy. I have it on today. If you guys have green eyes, if you guys have brown eyes, this is gonna be great. So I actually have some insert coupons from the 1021 Retail Me Not. Thank you, Bubby, for sending me these coupons. They definitely helped out, but here's a little secret. Target has it significantly cheaper. Target has this mascara for $5.39. So if you still have that 2 off 1, you're gonna get it for under $4. So a lot cheaper than CVS. But if you have extra care bucks to roll and you want to give this a try, they are buy 2 and get 5. Combine any CRTs for cosmetics. I think the CRTs for cosmetics is how CVS can compete with Target because it's an extra savings, but I highly recommend it. Okay, you guys, so Dawn dish soap and also the 7th generation dish soaps, these guys are on sale for $2.49. So regular price on this is $4.49, so it's 50% savings. And you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. So quick math, you would buy 2 of these for $5 and then you would get a $2 extra care buck, so it makes it 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, which is great because starting price is $4.49. But this is an excellent deal when it comes to the 7th generation dish soap. So this is a fantastic deal when it comes to the 7th generation liquid dish soap because these are regularly priced $3.79. So with this deal, you're gonna get them for $1.50, which is basically half price. So this is a really great deal. So I would definitely get your 7th generation dish soap here at CVS versus getting it on the Grove side because it's gonna be a heck of a lot cheaper here at CVS. Okay, you guys, so the all detergent is on sale for $2.99 this week. So the regular price on these are $6.99. So the sale price of $2.99 is great, and we still have insert coupons from the 10/28 Retail Me Not to take $1 off. So it makes these guys just $1.99, which is a great deal. Also on sale is the Persil laundry pod. So these guys are on sale for $4.99, and we have that $2 coupon. 21 Retail Me Not that's still valid, and there's a Saving Star rebate. So if you didn't, and it's also part of that spend 20 get 7 in extra care bucks. So if you just wanted to come in here and just get 99-cent Persil, you could, because you could combine that $2 coupon with the $2 Saving Star. That's how you're going to get it for 99 cents. So if you haven't used that Saving Star rebate, then definitely use it. Now on to the next laundry deal. Okay, so the next laundry deal you can do is on the Tide Pods. These guys are on sale for $4.94, and we still have that 3 off 1 coupon from the P&G. So you can clip the $3 coupon to your CVS card as well. So you can either use the insert coupon from the P&G, or you can clip it to your CVS app to make for a really great deal on Tide Pods, because regular price is $7.99. Whoa. And if your kids have skin sensitivity, then just go for the Tide Free and Gentle. Okay, so we have a coffee deal. So the Starbucks bag coffee, these guys are priced for $6.99. Also included in the $6.99 price is the K-Cups. They're also $6.99 as well. Regular price is $9.99 for the bag coffee and $10.79 for the K-Cups. And another coffee deal is on the Maxwell House coffees. These guys are priced 2 for $6. Regular price is $5.79. So you basically get the second one for free. And we have 50-cent cashback rebates on Ibotta for the Maxwell House coffee. So there's a few coffee deals you can choose from this week here at CVS. So this is a repeat deal from this past week. So the Progresso soups, these guys are on sale for 4 for $5. You must buy 4 to get that 4 for $5 price. And there's a $1 back on 4 you can clip to your CVS app to make them 4 for $4 or $1 each, which is great because regular price is $3.49. So this is a great soup stock up price. Now the organic is not included, so you can't use that 50-cent coupon for the organic here because it's not included in the sale price, and you cannot use the rebate because it doesn't work on the sale price isn't with organic. Okay, so these single boxes of Nabisco snacks, these guys are priced 3 for $4. Also included is the Keebler mini boxes and the Cheez-Its, and there is a $1 extra care buck back when you buy 3, so it makes them 3 for $3 or $1 a piece. We have a great deal on Dunkin' Donuts gift cards. So when you spend $50 or more, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. Also included in this is the Children's Place, so definitely I would suggest you snag the Children's Place so you can get the extra care buck, and then hold on to this for Black Friday and Cyber Monday purchases. Okay guys, so the Gillette and Venus razors, these guys are on a buy 2 get 8. This current sale cycle, they are buy 2 get 6. So when it's buy 2 get 8, definitely jump on it. So these guys are priced for $8.99. This is the Gillette Mach 3. I always recommend this razor because it's the best razor of life, but I'm actually considering trying the Dollar Shave Club. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to try it, but I might. So there's a $2 coupon you can clip to your CVS app to take $2 off, and then you could use another $2 off coupon that came in the November P&G. So you would buy 2 of them for $17.98. If you have 2 of those 2 off 1 coupons, then you can take $4 off, so you would pay $13.98. And if you had that 3 off 15 CRT, you drop down to $10.98, get back $8 extra care buck, making the final cost $2.98 or just $1.49 each. This is a great stocking stuffer, great donatable item. Razors are expensive, so really great deal here. Okay, so we rarely get a deal on shave gel, it seems like. So the Skintimate shave gels, these guys are priced for $2.99, and you'll get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 1, limit 1, so final cost is 99 cents. The regular price on these guys are $3.89, so again, great stocking stuffer. Okay, so we have a deal in the oral care section. So the Crest multi-pack toothbrushes, as well as the Crest multi-pack toothpaste. These guys are on a buy one, get $3 back in extra care bucks, and there's a few coupons you can utilize. So there's a $1 off 1 coupon on the CVS app for the toothpaste, and there's also a 2 off 1 coupon for the Oral-B, which is the multi-packs that's included in this deal. And then combine any CRTs you may have. Okay, you guys, so the Nexus is on another spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So something I'm seeing here, look for the bonus packs right here. So this is the Color Assured, oh, it's sulfate free conditioner. Oh man, I didn't even know this one was sulfate free. Yes. So this is priced for $21.49, and this one has a bonus little travel conditioner in it. So you'd buy one for $21.49, then you get a $10 extra care buck. Now, if you have that 4 off 18 CRT for hair care, definitely pair it here. So if you had a 4 off 18, you would pay $17.49. Get that $10 extra care buck back. So final cost is $7.49. So not a bad deal. Okay, so everyone can take advantage of the freebie of the deodorant. So these Sure and Brute deodorants, these guys are priced $2.99. Everyone's gonna get a $1 extra care buck when you buy one, and there's a $1 off 1 coupon coming in Sunday's Smart Source. So that'll make it completely free. If you have sensitive skin, I highly recommend the Sure 48-hour confidence. I don't get any type of rash under my arms, so if you have sensitive skin, I would highly recommend this deodorant. So we have a deal on some U by Kotex products. So this is going to be on the 40 through 64 count liners, also the 18 count pads, and the 13 to 18 count tampons. These guys are on sale for $3.99. If there is a coupon that you can use, you'll see it in the end card because I have not looked through the coupon insert yet. Okay, so Neutrogena Cosmetics, these guys are on a buy 2, get 6, so same sales cycle that's running right now. And then you can use this 3 off Neutrogena CRT if you've got it, and there's currently printable coupons on coupons.com. Sometimes Ibotta will release some cashback, so maybe they'll release one on Sunday, we'll see. Alright you guys, so these are all the deals I have to share with you here at CVS starting on the 11th of November. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And if you want to be entered to win that $50 CVS gift card, make sure you comment below, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and those are all the requirements you need to do. So I will talk to you guys all later, and we're almost at 20K, so I'm just going to throw this giveaway in here because we're going to hit 20K in the next week or so. So happy early 20K giveaway.